Jasmy is looking really bullish, and in this video I'm going to be covering some important aspects which I think you guys should know if you have invested into Jasmy. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. In this one we are going to be taking a look at Jasmy once again. By the way guys, if this is your first time on the channel, make sure you guys drop a like on this video and also subscribe if you are new, because that will be really appreciated. Anyways, with that being said, let's jump back into the video and let me show you all the things which I'm talking about. If you want to make some serious money with crypto, my trade signal group is the best place for you to be. Right over here you can see the monthly recap for the month of April, and this includes all the profits which we had taken and which we had achieved in the month of April. Right over here you can see we took 12 trades in total, and our average win percentage was really high at about 100%. In here you can see we secure profits of about 189%, 303%, 182%, 237%, and the list goes on and on. If you want to make similar profits for yourself, make sure you guys check out the link to my trade signal group. It will be down in the description, and sign up as soon as possible. So guys, right over here I have the charts loaded up for Jasmy, and as you can see we are up by nearly 6% on the day, which is really good to see. But the most important thing which I wanted to cover in this video is that as of this moment we are seeing a complete breakout over this gray line support level right over here, which is really good to see. Now in my past couple of videos I had mentioned to you all that this price point, or say this gray line right over here, is going to be providing some resistance to Jasmy in the shorter time frames. As you can see, we got to this level for once, twice, thrice, 4 times. So we traded on this level for about like 4 days, but now we have got a complete breakout up towards the upside, which is really good to see as well. Now guys, for those of you who are new, I just want to explain that I personally believe the rally for Jasmy has started, because if Jasmy was to go towards the downside, we would have seen a dump below this gray line right over here, which is also located at the bear market low, which is personally according to me. Now as you can see, Jasmy performed the absolute reversal, and as of this moment we are up by nearly 48% from the recent bottom, which is really good to see as well. Now guys, the next peak which I personally want to tell you guys is that the next resistance level for Jasmy, first of all, is going to be this blue line, gray line right over here at a price of about 0.0049. Now once we break above this level, I do expect that Jasmy is going to be pumping towards the upside, and we have a strong possibility that we are going to be retesting this important and the most important resistance level, or say this blue line right over here at a price of about 0.0083. That is about a 83% move towards the upside, and I personally believe this is going to be giving us some really cool confirmations for Jasmy. And if we are able to get towards this level or even break through this level, I can 100% say that Jasmy is back in the bull market, and you guys should be just DCAing or FOMOing into Jasmy at the current price points, because then Jasmy has a recently high ways to go. Now if we check out the MACD indicator right over here, you can see that my prediction has gone exactly like I had predicted. Now in the last video I had mentioned to you all that even though the buying pressure has weakened, the buying pressure, even though we saw a little green candle right over here, this did not really mean that the buying pressure was slowing down, because if we compare this particular green candle with the buying pressure which we have gotten in the past month or so, you can see that no single candle even came close to it. And that was the primary reason why I thought of this as well. And because Bitcoin might have dumped yesterday, that was one of the reasons why we saw this much of a buying pressure for Jasmy. However guys, as you can see, things are looking really good, and we are again gaining some buying pressure, which is really good to see for the project in the shorter time frames. I had mentioned to you all that right over here we got a bullish crossover, and once we got to that level, from that moment onwards we can see that Jasmy has pushed towards the upside, towards this impulse rally, and that is really good to see as well. That said guys, I do expect that some sort of resistance resistance for Jasmy is going to be playing out really soon. So I personally believe that an Elliott wave count could also be formed, but only time is going to be telling us. So if we take the bottom of the current recent wave as the starting of the first wave, you can say that Jasmy is going to be going towards the upside towards this level. After that, we might hit some resistance level and come back down, then again go up and basically challenge this level right over here, come back down, and then finally breach this level right over here. This is the most likely scenario Jasmy is going to be running into in the shorter time frames. However, guys, as mentioned, only time is going to be telling us how the markets play out, because if Bitcoin goes up, this particular scenario is going to be forming. However, if Bitcoin dips towards the downside, anything can happen. You know, we can also see a new bear market low for Jasmy. I don't really want to scare you all, but yeah, that is the reality of the crypto markets and of the low cap crypto gems like Jasmy. By the way, guys, if you want to make some serious money while trading crypto, make sure you guys check out my trade signal group. The link to it will be down in the description. Now guys, in my trade signal group, I post my personal trade setups which have helped me to make some serious amounts of money in the past couple of months. As you can see, we recently closed 3 trades and we were profitable on every single one of them. On one of the trades, we got a profit of 456%. On the second one, we got a profit of 430%. While on the third one, we got a profit of 258%. This is not the first time which we have done that. As you can see, we closed profits of 238%, 294%, and the list goes on and on. I personally believe that if you guys can follow my signals in this group, you guys can practically set yourself up for making an extra, $100 a day to almost $1,000 a day if you just follow along the strategies. I personally believe right now is a really good opportunity to make money in the markets, since we are shifting from a bearish market to a bullish market. So it's pretty easy to predict and to analyze where the markets are going to be heading towards. When you join my trade signal group, you guys will also be getting access to technical analysis, various business opportunities, my personal portfolio, and there's also a chat option where you can chat with like-minded people who are seriously invested into the crypto space and who are making some good money in this space as well. I personally believe that community is the first thing, groups like this should be building, and my trade signal group is a really good community for you to be in. So if you guys are interested in this, make sure you guys sign up as soon as possible. The link to my trade signal group will be down in the description. As mentioned, it's only $30 per month, but I truly believe the value you guys will be receiving from the group is beyond any of your expectations. And yeah, guys, that's gonna be pretty much it from this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, make sure you guys drop a like on this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and as always, I'll catch you all tomorrow with another video. Peace out.